Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. The Rideshare Hub is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to come together and talk about rideshare. So in today's video, this is specifically geared towards drivers, but if you're a passenger, maybe check out some of my other videos, or if you're interested in this, we can talk about it again. So yeah. Basically, there's an app called Mystro that has really been the only way for, I think there's one other app too, but Mystro is the biggest app that allows Uber and Lyft drivers to combine both Uber and Lyft to switch seamlessly in one app, so you don't have to, keep logging in and out or logging on and off of each app. And that way you're not missing out on potential cancellation rides and your acceptance rate if you do get a ping within that time. Basically, it makes it super easy. However, Lyft just blocked Mystro from being able to do that. And I'm gonna get into that, into the reasoning why. Mystro came forth with a statement pretty much bashing Lyft. So I'm gonna get into that. But before I do, leave your thoughts down below, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you want to see more videos about Uber and Lyft, if you drive rideshare or if you're in the gig economy, or if you just want to make more money. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the company. It's called Mystro. Super simple. You can set up both apps and it's just pretty much app switching. I've never used it. I just switch in between, Uber and Lyft. Go on and offline. It seems pretty easy, but I know a lot of people do like this. So they have over 100,000 users, which is pretty insane. Drive easier, make more money, drive safer. Yeah, it's also so you're not driving and touching on, going offline, switching in between apps. So it is a lot safer how it works. So they still show it on here that it works with Lyft. However, as you can see here, I'm in their Facebook group, and they just made this post. So here's the post. It says, over the past several weeks, Lyft has been actively and specifically targeting Mystro's ability to manage Lyft for drivers. Clearly, Lyft does not want rideshare drivers to access to tools that enhance the driving experience and also guard against distracted driving. They want total control over you as an independent contractor. The new version of Mystro uses a computer to phone installation message, blah, blah, blah. So it looks like they are finding a way to combat it. Look at this language. Clearly, Lyft does not want rideshare drivers to have access to tools that enhance the driving experience and also guard against distracted driving. Personally, I don't know Mystro very well, but that language is a little unnecessary. I mean, he's coming out and saying that Lyft doesn't care about drivers is pretty over the top. I mean, I just as a a business owner myself and running this brand, you don't want to put down people for doing something. Like, if they don't want you to use your whole app basically needs them to be successful. And so if they block you, they want their drivers to drive exclusively for Lyft. It's pretty simple. That's why they blocked you. I wouldn't call them I wouldn't say that they clearly don't want drivers to access tools that enhance the driving experience. I don't know. And then they urge their users to reach out to Lyft to if Lyft's actions are disturbing you as they are to us, we encourage you to let them know. I understand if you get angry at a company for doing that, but don't tell all your users. That's just bad mojo. It's bad energy. I really don't like negative energy. But I mean, with this, I just wanted to call them out, Mystro. I don't think you should be talking about Lyft that way. Lyft is an amazing company, and I wouldn't say that they don't care about drivers' experience. It's pretty simple. They just don't want you using, they just want their drivers just to use Lyft. They don't want them to do both. So anyways, that's it for the video. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'll keep you guys updated if Lyft does allow them to use it again. Alright guys, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe. Talk to y'all soon. Bye guys.